Hi, it's Elsie. Welcome to my channel. I got asked how to blur background of a video. So with this video, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to blur background in CapCut. Now let's get started. Open CapCut with the video that you want to blur background. Before we get started, I just want to let you know this method only works well if you want to blur background with real people in it. If you want to blur background with animated character, this method probably will not work well. Let's get started. First, we are going to click on the clip, then click on copy to make a copy of it. Then go to the first one, click on it, then click on remove background, then click on overlay to move it to the overlay track. Go to the beginning of the clip, then click on effects, video effects, then click on basic, blur. You can click on it again if you want to adjust how much blur you want. You can do less blur or more blur. Then click on the effects and align it with the entire video. So that's how you can blur background in CapCut. Pretty easy, right? If you only want to blur part of your video, you can use the same method as my previous tutorial, how to blur face in CapCut. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button. As always, I hope you have a wonderful day and I will see you next time.